In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a OneDrive link. Whether you're looking to share a file with a colleague or need to collaborate on a project with multiple people, OneDrive makes it incredibly simple to share your documents safely and efficiently. Let's dive in and walk through the steps on how you can set up a shareable link in just 5 minutes. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Microsoft account. If you haven't done that yet, open your preferred web browser and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the apps launcher. This is usually represented by a grid icon in the upper corner of your Microsoft account homepage. Click on it and you'll see a menu of available apps. From this menu, select OneDrive. It's the hub where all your files are stored and serves as the base for creating your shareable link. Once you are in OneDrive, look for the My Files section. This is typically found on the left side of the screen. Click on it to see a list of all the files and folders you've saved in OneDrive. Here, you can select the specific file or folder you wish to share. Hover over the item and you'll notice it can be highlighted or checked. This indicates that it's selected and ready for the next step. With your desired file or folder highlighted, locate the Share button, which is usually positioned at the top of the screen or may appear when you select a file. Click on it and a panel will open up providing different ways for you to share the item. In the sharing panel, you can enter an email address if you want to send the link directly via email. Type in the recipient's email address into the provided field. You'll also have the option to add a personalized message if there's anything specific you'd like to convey along with the link. Once you're ready, simply click on the Send button. This action will email the link directly to the recipient, allowing them access to the file or folder you've chosen. Alternatively, if you prefer to share the link through another platform, such as a messaging app or on social media, you can opt to click on Copy Link. This option generates a unique link that gets copied to your clipboard, which you can then paste wherever you need it. It's a versatile choice if you're sharing the link with a group or want to distribute it across different platforms. Lastly, remember you have the option to customize sharing settings like setting expiry dates or permissions, ensuring the right access level for your recipients. And there you have it, a quick seamless guide on how to create a OneDrive link securely and efficiently. Now you're ready to share your files confidently and collaborate effortlessly. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.